Ayo, what's good, learning machines? Welcome to this fire video. So hump that like button. So what it is basically how to do sweepstake offers plus YouTube traffic. This is insanely powerful. YouTube is one of the best traffic sources out there, especially for free traffic. And guess what? A video never dies. Once you put out a video, it's going to be there forever and then some. Even after you lay down in the grave, then it's still going to be making you money, okay? So this is crazy. The more videos you create that are good, okay, that can still get like shown in search and suggested, the better. This is so powerful, and this is a method you never heard of before, okay? I have one other video where I talk about this, and this is the most powerful methods you can use. If you go to Google Trends, you'll find what are the most trending things right now. Now, the stuff that you're talking about with your friends or family is usually the stuff you should be making a ton of videos about. I mean a ton. There's also tools called vidIQ, where basically you can go ahead and literally see the top videos performing right now with the smallest amount of YouTube subscribers. And this blows my mind because this is one of the coolest features ever in a YouTube tool that you can leverage. Okay, this is insane. Go ahead, use that tool, find top trending videos. You can use those. That's what I like to do. Or you can go to Google Trends, you can figure out what the trends are, and then go ahead and make a bunch of videos. You go ahead, you go to the YouTube search bar, and you literally type in the keyword of the trend, and then you go to Creative Commons, and you can take all those videos if you choose to. But you can take the top videos and you can go ahead and download them. You just go search YouTube video downloader inside Google. You'll find a YouTube video downloader. You'll be able to download a YouTube video, bro. You'll be able to go ahead and put it in your editor. All you need to do now is add commentary, and now it's fair use. Now it's your video, okay? Basically, that's what makes something very, very fair use. Like, you don't need to chop it up too much. Chop it up for stuff you don't want in it, like maybe the outro and the intro type stuff of the person's video. But then you can add your own commentary. And if it's a video that is already a commentary of someone else, just do your own commentary and do it better. Go ahead and be taking notes right now, because I'm telling you, this method's super powerful to make money with. There's a lot of methods, but this method is one of my favorites out there by far. Okay, this is how I make most of my money. It's literally from this. Okay, I have a second YouTube channel with over hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and I get millions of views every single month. And I have hundreds and hundreds of videos. I think I have actually thousands of videos at this point. Okay, I haven't even kept track. After this video, I'm gonna go look how many videos I have on that channel. Okay, it's a lot. And they're not just like one niche. It's like kind of one niche. It's entertainment basically. Okay, you got fail videos, you got funny videos, you got celebrity videos. Okay, and the list goes on. Okay, I don't want to go too in depth when you find my channel and copy me, and I don't want to be copied fully. But I'm going to share with you what I do here. So when you make a video, here's what you're doing. You're making a video, you're posting it, and this is how you do your affiliate links. Many people ask this question. This is important. Down below in the description box, you're going to give them, okay, watch this video till end, and then like, and then subscribe and all that stuff. And if you do, you can go ahead and enter the giveaway. Okay, and the giveaway is the affiliate offer. Okay, so here's your link right here. Okay, that's your link.com. Okay, and they go to your landing page, not to the affiliate offer. That wouldn't be allowed actually, because and also it'd be stupid because the offer may go down. Then you have to switch up all the videos. So you want to be able to send them to one landing page, and then on that landing page you have the button to the link. If the offer ever goes down, you could switch the offer, and you can just focus on one affiliate offer. And you guys, I know if you were making 100 a day, you'd be happy. If you're making 50 bucks a day from this, you'd be happy. But from one offer, you can make thousands per day with one offer. Okay, you can increase your payouts, and you can increase your daily cap on a lead gen offer. I'm talking sweepstake here. Okay, these offers are all over the place, and if every YouTuber knew about this, well, let's just say a lot of YouTubers would be crushing it with that income stream, but they don't know about this. Okay, this is really powerful stuff. I'm one of the only people out here who does this correctly, and this is very effective. Now, if you did paid traffic with sweepstake offer, I have a done for you service where I talk about that and how to actually make it work. For cold traffic, okay, this is basically warm traffic, YouTube traffic, who actually finds your content, watches it, and then goes. Cold traffic is when someone actually clicks on the ad, goes to your landing page, goes through your funnel, and converts. Okay, that's cold traffic. And by the way, I know how to convert that, and I'm an expert at that. I'm an expert at this. I'm an expert at all this stuff I'm teaching you. And I'm telling you right now, once you know how to do it, you're set. Okay, it's not too complicated when you know what you're doing, but it's very, very complicated when you're figuring it out. Okay, I started when I was 12 years old or even younger. I can't even freaking remember. Okay, this is crazy. This stuff can change your life, so pay attention. Now, the video length is also somewhat important, but not too important, because remember, the more content you have out there working for you, the better. So you could go 1 minute all the way to 10 minutes. Now, if it's over 10 minutes and really exciting or whatever and stuff, very good. Now, it can be a trend video, like I said. It could be on a big topic like TikTok, or a big topic like forest fires, or it could be a big talk that like anything, okay? Now, when you do that, do a bunch of videos about that for a while. If you find videos that's a trend of a type of video that's doing really well, and you see that like based off a certain amount of subscribers on a channel, and then they're getting a ton of views per hour on a video, take that video and remake it. This is one of the most successful ways to do this. You're gonna crush it. Okay, that's my most successful videos. I find other videos that are crushing it, views per hour, and I try to make it even better. And here's the most important thing. Okay, so when you're making a video, if you can get high watch time, high click-through rate, you're set. And when it's a trend, okay, because plus topic also matters. Topic is also very, very key. And that can come down to the trend and the topic. So if you're making a video about a trend, it's gonna actually, based off the video idea itself, it's gonna get more views because it's already in the top mind awareness of people and it's interesting to them. And then when you do a high click-through rate thumbnail and title, you're set. Because if you do a better if you have great watch time, but a low click-through rate, you won't do as well. But if you have a super crazy high click-through rate, like you should clickbait the crap out of your videos. The next thing is literally you could have a second channel alongside the channel you already have. You could do all your videos in Creative Commons and then just repost twice, okay? So to your second channel, you could do a standard YouTube license then. So you do one video on your Creative Commons channel in a way, like you post the videos, you make it Creative Commons, then you go ahead and post the video again on your second channel. So you have two channels with the same videos, same thumbnails, everything, but they're all getting exposure. This is another effective advanced way. I'm just trying to think outside the box for y'all. I don't even do this strategy, but it's very effective. And I know quite a few secretive people who do this as well. Now I could totally do this, just maybe pay someone to upload a ton of videos in like 1 day or 2 days and just upload them all as Creative Commons, and I'm set, okay? So basically, it's just another way of doing that. Now, here's another strategy. You can go ahead and not just do sweepstake offers, you can also go ahead and link to ClickBank offers or Digistore offers, okay? You don't just have to do sweepstake offers, but let's talk about another thing. How to do your landing page and how to do the offer wall. So here's your description. Here's how your description looks underneath your video. You've got right here the steps they follow. And then right here it may say to go to link.com. Then right here you can have the offer wall to a bunch of offers on offer wall page, okay? So right here you say something and then you have the link to the .com of the offer wall. And the offer wall, and I'll do the two landing pages actually here. Here's what the offer wall looks like. It doesn't have to be a row of two, but that's how I'm doing it. But straight up, guys, you can literally make a lot of money from this as well. So basically people are going to click here. It can say like you want to win more giveaways or you want more sweepstake chances to win. And then they click over and you just have a whole list of a bunch of different types of giveaways and they click on them and they go to them, okay? That's what that is. And that's just more offers on Max Bounty, whatever CPA network that has sweepstake offers that you can do. Next is right here. This is powerful as well. Here's how you do your landing page or the one-off offer. So this is the one offer you're mainly trying to promote at the top, okay? You do a headline. You basically try to model the offers landing page already that they're actually going to, and then do like a button. You could do like testimonials below that and just more content below on the button. You can do a video here if you choose to, or you can do an image and a little bit of text, okay? And that's like simple, okay? Or you can just model a landing page that you find, or just offers landing page. And you should do like the same font, the same color, the same imagery if you want, the same kind of like title of what the company's called type thing, okay? That's important. And here's the next thing. More links down here. You can do a lot of links, okay? And these are all links, okay? .coms. So that right there is how you do the YouTube description. I've never really mentioned that before. Super powerful. The course is even more powerful than what I've shared today. And you guys can literally be making thousands per day with this. I'm making thousands per day with this. And I literally today, I'm hardly going to do any work. I'm just making a video for this channel and probably just a couple small videos for fun. And that's it for my work day. I make thousands per day. Okay. It's like insane. And you guys can absolutely do this. It's not hard, okay? And there are ways to automate this whole system. You can even pay people to do this for you. And even making the video yourself, it's so easy. You don't even show your face, okay? I know some people worry about that, but if you want to show your face, that can also help you too. But regardless, this method works. It will make you money, and it literally is a long-term approach to making money. It'll last forever. So you're all set. Literally, this is crazy. And the course is called the Sweepstake course, okay? And inside the Sweepstake course, I cover YouTube strategies, I cover also paid strategies, free strategies, and I cover in depth some of the most crazy marketing principles you're gonna learn, especially for CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, which applies to any industry. So guys, get on this right now. I kid you not, this is one of the most powerful ways of making money online. It's what's working for me and it'll work for you. So I will see you guys on the other side and peace out.